Hello, this is the Classic Blacksmith, and today we're going to make a tool stand for these tools. We got a couple hot cuts, some punches, different sizes, hammer eye, slot lift, my first hardy, and my two most used hammers. Just a crossbeam and a square circle hammer. Now, this is what I'm going to use for the punches, just a 2 inches, 5 centimeters of a pipe. We're going to have something under to stop it from going all the way through. This is a touch mark. So it's just going to sit like that. I'm putting 8 of them on the anvil, so I got room for expansion. I've only got 6 items that I kind of need to be held like that. But this is going to be for the chisels and punches and stuff like that. And then I'm going to use flat stock to hold the hammers in. Okay, I'm going to put it in this formation. I think that'll be quite nice. I was thinking about doing it all along the side of the anvil, but that'll take up too much space. So I'm going to put it like this. We're going to weld it all together. And I don't think you'll see that, so I'll just weld it together and I'll be back in a second. I've now welded it up. Not the best welds or prettiest, but it'll hold. So on both sides of the pipe, first do the 4 together and then just do a weld across your weld. Okay, now this is ready. This is just rough. I'm going to heat up after and dip in oil to make it look nice. But yeah, we got this shape, which is gonna weld it on here, which is gonna do so slag and scale won't build up here. That can just fall straight through, and it also doesn't do so the chisels fall away through, which is good. Okay, I've now welded that up, just right there. Fairly thick bead. It's not pretty. Doesn't need to be. So it's not the most even, but it'll do. If you put it down, you can even on the side. It's quite a heavy chisel. These 30 centimeter long. Now we got to attach this piece. Drill 2 or 3 holes. Weld it to the back here, and curve it to the curvature of the trunk of the anvil. Okay, I have now welded this back piece up. Not the prettiest welds again, but they will definitely hold. Now I've set it to roughly the curvature of the trunk. I'm now going to screw it on, drill 2 holes, and try it out. Not too hard to make. This is the rack. Came out quite well. I thought at first it would vibrate when I hit the hammer, but they move around a bit, but that's okay. Now I've got them upside down because otherwise I can't see what they are, what each one is for. And I've still got room for expansion, and scale can all come out if need be. And it's out of the way, so I can be standing here at the anvil, horns here, reach over, use it, back down. Very nice.